Katie took one of the candies and put it in her mouth. She leaned back in Mr. King's big leather chairs and let the chocolate melt on her tongue. This wasn't so bad. She had plenty of snacks to eat and toys to play with. As long as she stayed in Mr. King's office, she couldn't get into any trouble. Well, that wasn't exactly true. Katie was actually going to be in a lot of trouble as soon as Mrs. Dartman noted that she wasn't in class. Katie didn't know what the punishment was for that, but she bet it was pretty bad. She was breaking a really big rule. Now Katie was really worried. What if Mrs. Dartman called her mother? What if she called the police? How would Katie ever be able to explain what had happened to her? Just then, Katie heard Mrs. Davidson's voice come over the loudspeaker. Our students shouldn't be in class now. That gave Katie a great idea. She knew how to make sure she wasn't breaking any rules.